In Buurn, you take on the role of apprentice cooks, and your goal is to snatch the spiciest ingredients to tame the palate of Los Picantes' tycoon. Begin by giving $12 to each player. Give them in small bills because it's important to start off with some petty cash. Choose 6 groups of favorite ingredients and shuffle them in a deck. From this deck, remove the 3 bottom cards, add to them the end of game card, and place all 4 at the bottom here. For the organization cards, shuffle all 3 types of cards individually and remove 2 cards numbered 12 and 2 numbered 15 and pile those cards one on top of the other. Place the playmat at the center of the table at equal distance from all cooks, $1 in the bank, and the totems on their allotted spots. Purchase green, organization purple, black market blue. Taxes for 4 or 5 players, red, and the secondary market for 5 players only, yellow. Let the auction begin! Turn over 1 organization card and 2 ingredient cards, 3 if you're 5 players, and start the countdown. The first player starts the countdown by calling out the first visible number on the organization card's deck. 12, 11, 10. Listen carefully because the first player to snatch the purchase totem will pay the same amount of dollars as the last number called out in the countdown. For example, 9, 8, snatch the totem, I must pay $8. 2, 1, 0. Silence. The card is discarded and we begin a new round. Warning. If the cook is too nervous and doesn't have enough money to pay for their purchase, or if they grab the wrong totem, there is a $2 penalty and we restart the bidding. If they don't even have the $2 to pay the penalty, they pay what they have and are booted from the auction. Yeah, being a cook is a rough profession. As soon as the purchase totem is snatched, the other players must grab the other totems as quickly as they can according to their strategy. Once all totems are taken, we tally their effects in the following order. Purchase. Both ingredients are yours. Distribute the money evenly amongst the other players and invest the rest in the bank. If 5 of you are playing, keep 2 ingredient cards and leave the third one for later. Taxes. For 4 or 5 players, before the distribution, give half the money to the player who got the totem. Ouch! That's a spicy fee. Organization. This totem allows you to take the organization card. Good, you're paying attention. There are organization cards with permanent effects, end of game effects, and instant effects. Black market. You must pay $5 to take 2 ingredient cards. Choose one and place the other back at the bottom or top of the deck. Or take all the cash in the bank. Ka-ching! Secondary market for 5 players only. You must pay $4 to buy the third ingredient that the auction winner rejected. Or take all the cash in the bank. Ka-ching! Turn the board and start the next round. Repeat these steps until the end of game card is picked. This means you play one last round before checking who has the best hot salsa recipe. Tallying the points is easy. Check your groups of ingredients, your organization cards, and add 1 point for every $5 left in your pocket. Ka-ching! Yeah, okay, we get it. The winner gets its very own restaurant. To your ingredients. Ready, set, go!